Hello everyone, today we're going to be looking at replacing the hatch trunk strut on a 2004 Prius. That is a dowel I'm using to help keep the hatch open. The two struts I bought $17 at Amazon, I'll put the link below, and I'm also using a small flathead screwdrivers to help remove the clips. I strongly recommend that you don't use a dowel like I did. That could snap, that door is really heavy, and if you're in the way it could seriously injure you. So having a second person help you is the way to go. I didn't have that, so I took the chance with the dowel. The first thing we're going to do once you've secured the door open is to remove the clip from what looks like a ball joint adapter by slipping the flathead screwdriver in and just pull up. The clip will probably come off, and then you should be able to just pull on the end and have it disconnect completely from the little bowl and the back end. If you look at the top right hand corner of the screen, you can see that I am repeating the process on the lower part of the hatch strut. Similarly, remove the clip and then just yank at the end and remove the strut. Putting in the new one is way easier. You simply put it on the ball and push into it and it snaps into place. The other end goes in just as easy. Turn the open end of the hatch strut toward the ball, push in, it snaps in place, and you're done with one side. Okay, we're almost done. Now we're going to repeat the process on the opposite side. Remove both clips from the top and the bottom ball joints. Push away from the joint or pull away from the joint at the top part. It comes right off. Take the replacement part, open end toward the ball joint, apply a little bit of pressure and push toward the joint or toward the ball, and it will snap in place, and you are officially done replacing both sides of the hatch trunk struts.